Hello everyone, we're here today at Airdrie Dodge Jeep, home of the $10,000 giveaway. What does that mean? Well, with any vehicle purchase, you're going to be entered into a monthly draw that month for your chance to win $10,000, and who couldn't use that nowadays? Back to the start of the show, we'll be taking you on a tour of this beautiful 2013 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT with Stow N Go. Under the hood, you're going to find the award-winning 3.6 liter V6 Pentastar engine paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission. It is shown in this beautiful stone white color. This vehicle has been fully safetied and inspected. We're going to take you through the interior quickly, but if you have any additional questions or just want to get this on the road for a test drive, please don't hesitate to give us a call. Helping you in, you do get this key from the factory with your unlock, lock, and panic button. As we head on inside, you'll notice beautiful two-tone styling. You do have power mirrors, power windows in the first row, and power locks. Plenty of storage in the door as well. These mats are in great condition. And you have these super comfortable premium cloth seats throughout. Interior steering wheel, you have cruise control options on your right, and on your left you have your dash selection. Also behind the steering wheel you do have audio mounted controls allowing you to change the station source and volume, all while keeping your hands safely where they need to be. 119,916 kilometers on here currently. You also have a large menu of information you can scroll through. Take a second to explore that with your sales advisor. Your shifting area is up and out of the way. Into your media center you have AM and FM capability. You also have a CD player and can connect through auxiliary. And then you have dual zone climate control. So both your driver and passenger can have their own separate temperatures. You do have a pull-out drawer there with two cup holders, two 12-volt outlets at the bottom. And we'll just give you a quick pan through on the passenger side here. Everything's in good condition. Locking glove compartment down below, additional space above. You do have a vanity mirror in your sun visor, and then sunglass storage and a built-in mirror to keep an eye on any back passengers. As we head into the back, the door opens easily, slides on its tracks, and clicks into place. This is a full stow and go unit, so these seats do stow right down into that ground. Definitely come on down and check out that system if you haven't seen it in action before. So 2 seats in your second row, 3 in your third. And if you don't want to use that center aisle, you can just pop the seat up like that to give you a second access point. And as we head into the back, the door lifts up easily. You have tons of space back here. It's a super deep area because these seats, of course, do stow right down into the ground. I'll give you a quick shot of how that works. You just pull the straps in order, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And they fold right down. You can, of course, reverse that seating as well to give you tailgate seating. And that just gives you an idea of how deep the space is, so none of your groceries will roll around anywhere, or any tools or anything that you have in the back of here. And then to lift it up, the process is just as simple. So that was just a very quick tour. As you can see, this is a beautiful, versatile vehicle. If you have any questions or want to get this on the road for a test drive, we'd love to give you a hand with any of that. Our information is at the end of this video. We'd like to thank you for watching and hope to see you soon.